Street ride time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe two-door sedan. Down up into a nice looking street rod. Underneath the hood, powered by a 350 small block Chevy that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped underneath there. Notice power steering, AC cruise control, aluminum radiator, electric fan. We're going to check underneath the hood here in a bit. Start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath there. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside, you can check out the pictures of the engine bay, interior, they can be found at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out. Paint on this car, it says presentable. I'm going to show you some spots where it has been touched up a little bit, and you get a few, like you do on these flat kind of fronted older street rods, you get a few real light kind of rock chips. You might have a couple of spots where you've had a little bit of a touch up, and I'll show you one on the other side, but overall it's presentable. Fun one to take to any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, your local shows. Riding on radial tires, polished aluminum wheels. It's kind of a cloth / tweed interior. We'll get around to the other side, let you take a look at that. It does have seat belts in it. And of course, you got the nice roomy rear seat if you got grandkids, friends, somebody you want to take with you to the shows or maybe just out for a fun afternoon. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Yeah, you can see the car straight down the passenger side here. Nice reflection coming off that paint. There is a key fob with electric door poppers, if you will, the door actuators. And then I'll show you on the driver's side where there's actually a push button underneath kind of the door panel on the bottom side where you can pop it and it'll open up. As far as the trunk, you can see the handle has been shaved. You pop the trunk from the left side underneath the dash, and I'll show you where that popper is in a second too. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Something else to note, 10-bolt rear end. Does have a Nova subframe, FYI. And again, you can see that in the underside pictures. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down this driver's side. All right, now if I can kind of show you where that popper is here. You find it. Right there. So backing away from the car, from the front, kind of about at the center of the door. Push it, it will pop. And then like I said, there is also a key fob that has buttons on it. Now, since I am over here, I wanted to point this spot out. There is a light scratch that has been touched up here and a couple other spots. I want to get around to show you that. All right. As you can see, kind of still an original style front bench seat that has been recovered. I call it, it kind of goes, as far as the car goes, it's not really a powder blue. That's a real true color of it right there. Kind of almost a teal blue, and then a little bit of a teal gray, I guess, if you would. Color cloth interior and that tweed tilt column. Here's that popper for the trunk right there. As you can see, cruise control, AC controls over here. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Aftermarket set of gauges. You get oil pressure, volts, fuel, and of course temp will come up once the engine warms up. RPMs times 10. Aftermarket Kenwood stereo. Give you an idea of the interior. Headliner was up, matching in good shape. And again, you can check out interior pics, all with the still pictures on our website. I'll tell you where to check those out one last time here before we finish up this video. Let you get a good listen to that small block. Sounds good. Nice rumble coming out of that. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. FYI, the hood release is on the interior. Let me show you that while I got it here. This one right here is the hood release. That'll pop the hood. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take 2 hands to get that second release, and I'll be back. So up front here, pusher fan, aluminum radiator, also a puller fan on there. Small block Chev. See your cruise control. Module right there. AC has been converted. Not R12 anymore, though. 34. HEI ignition back there. Electric choke. Power steering, I believe I mentioned that earlier too, power steering. And that's paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Looking for a street ride, won't break the bank, get into the classic car hobby. Here you go, 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe 2-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.